Hi, welcome to Peace Donkeys. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade jalapeno peppers. I had tons and tons of these and I've still got some left over from the garden, and I just pickled these today and I'll go ahead and show you how I made them. Okay, so I'm just washing up some jars just with normal soapy water and just give those a rinse off. Once you've got all the soap out of there, I'm just going to put them into some boiling water. You can just leave them in the boiling water for a couple of minutes with the lids, and then once they're done, you can take them out and just put them on a jar to dry, just put the jars on the bench to dry. So I just take them out of the boiling water, and because they're very hot, they will dry pretty quickly. Just put your lids on there as well. So I had heaps and heaps of jalapenos. As you can see, I had this bowl absolutely chockers to the brim full. So I'm just cutting off the tops and the tails, as you can see, just getting them all, get that part done first. And once you've got that part done, oops, discard those. And then you'll just slice those up into whatever size you want your jalapenos to be. Okay, so your recipe for this, and I'll put this recipe underneath the video as well. So you're going to need a cup of vinegar, a cup of water, 4 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of salt. So you basically put that all in a pot and you'll bring it to the boil. So as you can see, I've got probably way more jalapenos than what I needed. So I'll just see how we go. I actually did quite a bit more. I did another couple of batches of the recipe, just because I'm not sure if it's going to fit all the jalapenos I've got. So you're basically going to dissolve all your salt and your sugar and then bring this to the boil. Okay, so once your water has come to the boil, and that's all dissolved in there, I'm just going to see how many I can actually add. Okay, looks like I can get the whole lot in it, so that's good. And then you'll just turn your stove off and you'll let that sit in that water for about 15 minutes, let it cool down, and you'll gradually see the colour, this bright green colour will actually change as it sits there for a few minutes. So I'll come back in about 15 minutes when I'm ready to put them in the jars. Okay, so it's been about 12 minutes and you can see the colour's changed to that colour that you get of pickled jalapenos. So you just want to then, this is still quite warm, this picture. You just want to fill up your jars. Actually, I should have just done a smaller one first. So you just want to pack them full as much as you can. Just really push them down so they're jam-packed tight. And just get a ladle and top up your jar with the water. As much as you can get in there, and then put your lid on, and there's your very own jalapeno peppers. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.